Mihango ya kwihitithio kwa jumbe ya kaunti ya Nairobi egutanyitwo kwambiriria thaa 3 cia rucini no yatungwo ni kihingisha abunge amwe makiregana na ikinya ria abunge ya kwamurwo kunyita itemi mihango-ini iyo. Thutha ucio mihango ino yathie na mbere igitongorio ni karani wa kanji ya Nairobi Jacob Ngwele, ajumbe aya makioya mihitwa ya gutungatira muingi.
I, Chegemora, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people.
And I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my function in the said office, that I shall do justice to all. So help me God.
Kihitahitano-ini gia speaker kiria kiraguciriria ahuraniri atano, Beatrice Elachi ayukia uhotani na kura 90.
89, 90.
I, Beatrice Elachi, having been elected as Speaker of the County Assembly of Nairobi City County.
Ndomereri-ini yake Elachi ni oreti abunge aya merutire gutigirira ni mahingia maria muingi umehokeire. Ningi abunge aya ni moritio metheme na utongoria wa wirano, akiuga kiu nikio kiambiriria kia utongoria utari na kiguni.
Competing ideas does not mean enmity. Neither does it mean demeaning each other. Honorable members, the term honorable means we have to bring honor both to this house and to our positions as leaders.
Kiraniro gia kiari kurutithania wira hamwe na abunge aya gutari muthutukanio niguo kaunti ino ituike kionereria kia utongoria mwega.
To serve all of you fairly and faithfully so that we can collectively make this second assembly memorable in the journey of transforming this greater county and city.
Elachi ahuranagira gituro kia ubunge wa Dagoretti ya Rugongo githurano-ini kihituku no akihotwo. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, Titagwo Gathoni, Wajihia.